recently updated my Canva to the latest version, and it's the glowed up. So my Canva and the people that are in my team have the glow up. Let's scroll down and let me show you how you delete. I bulk create my content for my social media posts a lot, and this makes my home page and my recent design to be cluttered and to have a lot of content that I really don't need anymore after the scheduling time has gone through. With Canva Glow Up, there's this new feature that if you get to glow up, this is the first thing that you need to do if you want your documents to be clean and your landing page to be clean. Select the ellipsis or the 3 dots and then scroll down to go find the select items. With select items, they all pop out so that you're able to tick them like this, and you scroll down until you've selected all the ones that you want to have deleted. And then there's this menu at the bottom of the page where you can move them to a folder or just send them to a trash. I think this is awesome. If your account has not glowed up yet, there's a solution for you. When you are on the home page of your landing page and then you scroll down to recent design, the recent design option doesn't have the tick option. You can only select the 3 dots and then move to trash. But if you go to projects and you select projects on your landing page, and it also still lands on your recent designs, the nice thing is it does have the option of you ticking the designs that you don't want to have on your landing page anymore, and you can delete them and move them to a trash. It does not have that option though for the menu where it shows select all. Once you get glow up, you can go and do that on glow up. When you are on glowed up and you have selected the projects and you're under all and your recent design, it does have the tick as well as a star functionality if you want to star the design and you want to find it in future. Looking for a logo idea that uses shapes, text, and sometimes apps on Canva? Go watch this video. It is super. I will see you with our next video.